Okay, so let's do an unboxing on this microphone. Sennheiser, here's everything that comes in the box. XLR clamp, microphone, this is like a windsock there. And there's the actual, it's got some heaviness to it. All right, so I can put the foam on there like that. I got access to the switches, battery on or off. XLR. Okay, so I can unscrew it right here. There's where you're going to put your battery. And this is the Sennheiser model number MKE 600. So it does take, this is a AA battery. I'm going to put a rechargeable battery in there, but it does take a AA battery. And just, this doesn't come all the way off, it just slides and then screw it down. It seems very well made. Now that switch is called the low cut switch. When it's on, frequencies below 100 hertz are attenuated to reduce wind and impact noise. That's what that switch is. So when it's towards the angled line, that means that it's on. So it looks like you have some extra wind noise help there. There's the battery. There's a light there when I turn it on now because I got the battery installed. It does come with this really nice padded zipper case. Here's the cable. There's what the end of the cable looks like. This is just going to snap into here. There's like a little line. Line it up and it snaps in. So the clamp, you just clamp it on. It's kind of like some hard plastic. The clamp does have kind of like some cushion rubber in between it and a cold shoe mount threaded insert. We can put the cable through there. Yeah, this is a very nice microphone. There's the directional chart. Now the battery light, if it's flashing really quick, it's almost dead. If it's just flashing slowly, you got about 8 hours. If the red light's on steady, it means you have about 150 hours. Let's do some measurements real quick. And there's what the front of it looks like. 10 inches exactly. Diameter wise, you're looking at about 3/4 of an inch. You know, the mount overall is 2 inches. It sticks in there, so it's going to stick up probably about 1 3/4 inches. You know, the cable, this sticks out about 2 1/4 inches from the microphone. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.